Mohan, Mohan, Mohan.
I'm playing Vishal.
I'm there. Vishal. Yeah, hi everyone. Sorry, sir, Vishal sir, because I think today is Sunday in Indian time. That is the reason I'm not logging to it. Mail which is better. Which is better.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, hello Devang, GPS, and Praveen, Segan, and Yesh. Hi to everyone.
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, today I was discussed to default initialization. Today I was discussed to default initialization. The uninitialization variables of static and non-static variables, the JVM provide default values. The JVM provide default values at the time of runtime. At the time of runtime. Then go for command prompt. Then I will save like a h cls. What's the class name? Java C def dot Java. Then Java def. These are the default values. These are the default values. In case def, it is a class variable. It is also class variable. Def is a class, and the class variable is a d1. It is a non-static variable or static variable. Devang, it is a non-static or static variable. GPS.
D1 is a static.
D1 here. I will select that one. DF,
Oh, okay. That's
it
not
is
static.
a non-static. Then D1 dot D1. What is the value of class variable? What is the value of class variable value? Right now, GPS null, and then as well as I will do to string s1 save. It is also non-static variable save null, because what is the default value of class variable is null. Here totally how many class variables are there? How many data types are there right now? Second, how many data types are there? Then how many class variables is there?
There is two.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
One data type, since it's a string only, right?
String is a data type. It is the string. One thing, the string act as a data type, and as well as the string act as a class. The string act as a class, and the string act as a data type.
Data type, okay.
Then I will discussing to that is a separate concept is there in the string concept. Then I will discussing to then complete information about the string concept in the string and string buffer and string builder. Strings of characters are there. Then I will discussing here why the string act as a class and why the string act as a data type. Then what is the difference between those? Then I will discussing that concept. That one is a leave it. Right now the string is a capital letter. The string S is the starting letter is a capital letter, and DEF starting letter is a capital letter. Total how many classes are there? 2 classes variables and 8 data types are there. It's okay, Sagan? 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 Here, total 8 data types, 2 class variable. Here, we can define very important point. We can define any variable. The data type starting letter. Should be a small letter. We can define any data type. The data type starting letter should be a small letter. If in case to specify the capital letter, to specify the capital letter, the JVM treat as a class name. Listen carefully. We can define any data type. Starting letter should be a small letter. If in case to define capital letter, the JVM treat as a class name. The class name default value is equal to null. See that, save. It is a byte and short, long flow to double. Character is a space and boolean, and it is a class variable and it is a string value. Means it is not a class name. Which classes means wrapper classes. Wrapper classes. What is the wrapper classes? Then I will discussing later. Okay now. Means if we can define any data type like a salary, float salary, the starting letter salary is nothing but a float is a small letter, that is a compulsory. If in case to specify the float is a capital letter, the JVM treat as a class name, at that time it will give the default value is equal to null. It's a clear or any doubt? Devang, GPS, Pravin, seconds,
Clear.
any doubt?
Yeah, can you briefly explain about the string being a data type? and a string itself or a class?
Here, yeah. In case string s1 is equal to new string. Like here, I will pass to something hello. It is a class. Right now, this object is a which class object? It is an object or not? Second, give me answer here. Who asked me? Second, you asked me. GPS.
Yes.
This is your doubt.
Yeah, this is my doubt.
Okay. Listen. Here, this is an object. Right now, this object is which class object? String class. What is the class name?
String.
String. Like a system dot out dot println is equal to s1 dot length. Here, how to import the, because I don't know where is the string class is available. Then I will write to system dot out dot println is equal to s1 dot get class. Then I will comments. Here I will write to just println is equal to d1 dot get to class, means get to dot class file. That is the meaning of method. Save. Then CLS JavaC def dot java. It's a clear.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, it's clear.
the get class is nothing but a s1 is a which class object? Java dot long dot string class object. And here d1 dot get. This object is a which class object? Class def. GPS, it's okay, clear?
Yes, thank you.
Sir, where is that the string class is available? Java dot long dot string is the correct, because string s1 is equal new string hello. It is the correct. It is a string class object. It's a clear. Where is in our system string class? String class means like you go for C drive under Java software is there. Java software under JDK is there. JDK under string src folder is there. Source folder Java dot lang dot string. I will show it. Is available or not?
Yes.
GPS.
Yes.
That is nothing but it is nothing but a predefined class. It is nothing but a predefined class. Okay.
Okay.
It's a clear or not? And 1 minute. The string, how many ways we are creating the object using string class means total 2 ways. One using nothing but a new keyword, and the second one using nothing but a double quotations. String s2 is equal to hi. Total how many objects are there right now? GPS. Right now the main method contains how many objects are there?
S1.
3 objects.
Great.
S2, and D1 means only the string class. Only the string class we can create a object how many ways means 2 ways. One using nothing but a new keyword and second one using nothing but a double quotation. Sir, what is the difference between new keyword and what's the difference between double quotation means? Using new keyword, we can create a object in multiple times and multiple memory allocation. And using double quotation, we can create a object only once. It's a clarity, okay?
Yes.
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 What is the difference between new keyword and double quotation means? Using new keyword, you can create an object in multiple times. Using double quotation, you can create an object only once. That is the reason the string acts as a class name outside of the class. Outside of the main method, it will be act as a data type. Within the main method, it will be act as a class name. It's okay? GPS.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Any doubt, anybody? Please ask me. Yesh, Sumit, Sagan, Pravin, and Devang. Any doubt?
No doubt.
Yes. Ram. So,
Yeah, 10 minutes. Ask
so
me.
all the data types, if they are capital, initial capital, they will be treated as class. Right?
Yes, yes, correct.
So, within the main method,
Yeah.
Is it just true for string or for any, like if you use anything, like for example, instead of string, if you use byte, s1 equal to name?
After I will discussing that concept. Just I will discussing data types. Within the main method, non-static methods and static methods is there. At that time, I will discussing that matter.
Okay.
Okay, don't worry. Because just the GPS asked to, sir, why the string act as a class name, why the string act as a data type means, please define that concept. That's enough. Then in-depth syllabus of like what is a byte, what is the in-depth syllabus, then I will discussing later. Okay, na?
Okay.
But in our question means, if you can define any Java program, in our mission, the starting letter, data type starting letter should be a small letter. That is the correct way. If in case capital letter, the JVM treat as a class name. The class name default value is equal to null. The class name default value is equal to null. The data type default value is equal to zeros and in case these are the integer categories. The integer category, the default value is equal to 0. And it is nothing but a decimal category, 0.0, 0.0 default values. The character categories, it is a space. And the boolean categories, it is nothing but a false, the default values. But if in case to specify the capital letter, the JVM treat as a class name, the class name default value is equal to null. What is the difference between 0 and null? 0 is allocate a memory, and null it will not possible to allocate a memory.
Okay.
Okay, now. Any doubt, anybody?
No.
Okay. Then I will take one more example. What period of time? For example, okay, I will take S1. My class name is S1. S1 dot Java. Here I will define some example like int x is equal to 10, and directly like here one more variable I will define. Float f is equal to 500. Float f is equal to 500. Then I want to x variable. The x variable is a non-static variable. New class name is s1 dot x. Java C s1 dot Java s1. What is the output?
10.
10. Okay, thank you. And I want to y variable. Sorry, I want to f variable. How to access? Tell me. System dot out dot printf. right now, have any object of address is there right now?
So we
GPS?
can we use double quotation?
It's okay. Right now, this object contains any variable like a address. Any address is there right now? This object?
No.
No. Directly, I will use the like a how to create object means s is equal to new s1 constructor semicolon. When the object is created, when the memory allocation is over, the memory allocation assigned to a one variable. Okay, na? But here directly I will create a memory. Within the memory I want the x variable, then I will take. Right now I have no any memory. Just I will declare the object, then I will take the value. Right now this object contains any address GPS?
No.
No means what is my question means? Very important point. What period of time? What period of time the object of data is persistence. What period of time the object of data is persistent? The object of address is persistence. The object 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 of data is persistence. The object of data is persistent. For example, like I'm go for paint. Just it is a memory. X is equal to 10 and F is equal to 500. Right now it is an object. Right now this object contains any variable GPS? GPS?
No.
It is a just object is created. When the object is created, memory allocation is it will be start. Within the memory I want X variable, then I will come to second line. Okay now. Means right now the object contains the object cannot be maintain any address. That is the reason. If it is the address S1 for example, the object of address is available means persistent. The object is persistent. The object is persistent. The object of data is persistent. What period of time? The object of data is persistent or available means what period of time? The object of data is persistent or available means the object of address is persistent or available. The object is available. The object is available. The object of data is available or persistent. Once the object of address is lost means not persistent. The object is not persistent. The object is not persistent. The object of data is not persistent. It's a clear GPS? In case new s1 dot f. Totally how many objects are there right now? Ravi, two objects. New s1, because there is no object. This statement, the object, it will not possible to maintain the address. Just the memory is allocated. Within the memory, I want to variable is taken. Then next come to next line. Next and also because it is nothing but a one type of process. That is nothing but how to create the object without address. How to create object without address. Without address, it will not possible to maintain the object of data entire main method. Without object of address, it will not possible to maintain the object of address entire main method. If you can maintain object of data entire main method, then compulsory need for object of address. It's okay. If anybody any question, please ask me. Devang, GPS, Pravin, second, Samit and Yesh. Any doubt?
Can you repeat that statement once again, like what you just said?
Means here right now this object contain any address right now? Right now this object contain any address, Pravin?
No.
No. Means the object of address is available. The object is available entire main method. If the object of address is not available, the object of data is not available, next statement. That object to data is available only, that statement only.
Okay.
Okay, na? If the object of address is available, the using object of address, we can perform the operation on object entire main method. Without address, it will not possible to perform the operation, the same object operation next line, because once the object of address is not available, the object of address is not available, not available. The object is 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 not available. The object of data is not available. The object of data is not available.
Okay.
Okay, now right now here any object of address is there? No. Next line, the object of data is also, sorry. Once the object of address is lost, the object is also lost. The object is lost, automatically the object to data is also lost. Okay, now if in case S1, S is equal to new S1, this is the object creation. When the object is created, the object of data is stored in a S variables. Using S variable to perform that object operation entire main method. Right now the object of address is available. Right now this statement and this statement I will not maintain any object of address. That object data is available, that statement only. This object of data is not available next line or next statement because there is no any object of address. Is that clear or not?
Yes.
GPS? Ravi?
Yes.
Shagan? Samit?
Yes, clear.
Yes?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Means very important point is nothing but what period of time the object of data is persistent means the object of address is persistent. The object is persistent. The object is persistent. Automatically the object of data is persistent entire main method or entire statements. That is the meaning of what period of the object of data is persistent. Okay. And the next one is a. Tell me.
Okay.
Tell me, Samit.
If we take in the last, if we take S1 as equal to 1, we are giving the object address, right? S1 as equal to new S1. That is, we are assigning an address to the object.
Yeah, tell me one in your, please ask me, please.
Okay.
What is the line number?
Okay.
What is the line number?
8, line number 8.
8, okay, yes, tell me.
So this is where we are giving the address to the object, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, if we take this out, let's take this out, and if we run the command prompt,
System dot out dot println s1, sorry, s dot x. Okay, this is asked to you.
so the command is like 10, 10, and 500 in this case, right?
The x, what is the x value?
Output.
1 minute. Yeah, s dot x is equal to s dot x plus like 100. Right now, what is the object of data? What is x value?
10.
X value is equal to 10. Right now, after s value x plus 100 110. The 110 value again to assign to a s address of x variable.
Yes.
Then it will be cancelled, updated into a 110.
Okay.
Is it clear? Then
Yeah.
see that output. Then I will comment the 2 lines. I will comment the 2 lines.
Okay.
Command prompt Java C. What is the class name? st. st dot Java.
String.
Class name is s1. S1. Java C. S1 dot Java and Java S. 110. It's okay.
Yeah.
In case again I will perform. What is the value? What is the value?
So it will be 110 only because we have given the address to that. So it will reference to the new value, right?
Yeah. What is the meaning of this statement? What is the meaning of this statement? Tell me. In your idea.
Okay, this means that
It will create a one memory, means one object.
yes.
The
So
object contains f is equal to 10 and f value is equal to 500. There is no object of address. I will not maintain. Just I will create object. Then I will take the x value. Okay.
Okay. 100 and
Sorry. S1 dot x. New S1 dot x variable is there. Java C. S1 dot Java. Java 110. System dot out dot println is equal.
if
The x variable is already there. X. Yeah, okay. Then I will not compare. The 10 value. What is the, again it will be 10 value. The x variable is a non-static variable. When you are creating the object, automatically it will be allocated a new memory allocation. That is the reason it will give the value is equal to 10.
okay.
Okay, now means it is also one type of object creation without object of address. And when you are creating the object of address, the object of data is you can store in a variable. Using that variable, you can perform entire that object operations because the object of address is available. Without object of address, it will not possible to maintain this object of data entire main method. This object data is available only this statement only.
Okay. Then
Object of address.
okay, in that case, I have a question. Like then
What's
why
the
do we, okay, if in case why do we need to do like s dot s when we are assigning address to the variable in like s1 is s equal to new s1, that's the address, and we are assigning a new value. We are adding 10 or 110. Instead of that, cannot we write like system dot out dot println new s1 in like line number 12 instead of the can we write new s1 dot then we should be same value.
Yeah, directly S1 is equal to S. You are asking that one?
No. Println. Okay, new s1.
I'm not clear in your voice, Samit.
Okay. Am I clear now?
Tell me.
New s1 Here S1,
Yeah.
then we have two parentheses, two brackets, dot x. So after x, if you write plus 100.
Here,
Plus,
yeah,
plus 100,
x plus 100. Yeah.
If you see the output now,
Yeah, same, no problem. Yeah. Yeah, 1 minute. Then I will- The output is equal to 100. No problem.
so yeah, that's my question. Why do we need to assign the address and then why when we do it with?
Because here we after object creation we cannot maintain object of address. Directly we can take the value Smith.
Okay.
Okay now. If you can use this object of address, we can perform same like that.
Yeah.
Okay now. If you want to that object only single statement, if you want to that object operation only single statement, directly you can use this statement. If you can use that object of operation entire main method, then at that time compulsory you can maintain a object of address.
So we can
If
use
you
that
want to,
anyway. Okay.
yeah. If you want to,
Okay, got it. We don't have to write x plus 100, x plus 100 multiple times. We can just write x.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. If you want to one class properties in the single statement, another class I want to only x variable, then directly you can define this statement. But using another class object, we can perform a entire program. Entire main method is depending. At that time compulsory we can using nothing but a object of address.
Okay.
And also using object of address, using that object, we can perform a multiple operations. At that time using nothing but a object of address. We can perform a single operation. Then directly we can perform this operation, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, it's clear?
Yes.
GPS?
Yes.
Yeah. Next, I will take another is nothing but a typecasting. 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 What is the typecasting means? What is the typecasting means? One primitive data type, one primitive data type, variable value assigned into a another primitive data type variable are called typecasting. Is called typecasting. One primitive data type variable value assigned into another primitive data type variable is called typecasting. These are the two types. These are the two types. What are they means? First one is a explicit typecasting. Explicit typecasting, and the second one is implicit typecasting. Implicit typecasting. What is the typecasting means? For example, like x is equal to 10. Here it is nothing but a one data type variable. Then simple byte b is equal to x. Byte b is equal to x. That is a typecasting. What the typecasting means? One primitive data type variable value assigned into another primitive data type variable is called typecasting. Okay, now the typecastings are two types: explicit typecasting and implicit typecasting. And what is the explicit typecasting is? What is the explicit typecasting? What is the explicit typecasting is? one primitive data type variable value. One primitive data type variable value assign into a another primitive data type variable in our specification in our specifications are called explicit typecasting. Explicit typecasting. And what time when you are using when we are using explicit typecasting, when you are using explicit typecasting is the bigger value insert into a smaller value at the time using explicit typecasting. Explicit typecasting means what is the when you are using explicit typecasting means the bigger value inserted into a explicit typecasting. Yeah, the bigger value inserted into a smaller value at that time using nothing but a explicit typecasting. For example, like I will take one example, ex.java. Here, bigger value means, for example, like a double D is equal to 10. What is the size of the double? Second, what is the size of the double? 8 bytes. What is the size of the double? And right now, float f is equal to d. What is the size of the float? 4 bytes. Is it possible to convert the 8 bytes into 4 bytes? Sumit?
Yes, if we do like
Because system.out.println is equal to f. Save. See that. CLS. What is the class name? JavaC ex.java. Exception. Possible loss of prediction. Required is float. Found is double. Means here double is a 4 bytes and float is a double is a 8 bytes and float is a 4 bytes. Right now the float value contains 8 bytes, but it will not store because it is a bigger value. At the time to specify the then typecasting, that is a float. Is it clear? At the time the D is a float value, the D value is easy to store the F value. GPS?
I didn't quite get it.
Here, what is the size of the double?
8 bytes,
And what is the size of the float?
4 bytes.
The 8 bytes, is it possible to convert to 4 bytes?
Yes, I guess.
Automatically it will be converted, or you can perform any operations.
You have to perform operations.
Like a simple, then to specify the float. What is the meaning of the right now the D is a float data type. Right now the D is a float data type. What is the D value? 10 now.
10.
Right now, without float value, the D is a double. And the double value, it will not possible to store a float value because the float is a smaller value and D is a bigger value. At that time, the double value can convert a float.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
okay, but
What is that?
in case the 8 byte means like many characters, like there's some.
Yeah, after I'm discussing. The character also I will discussing. Just the concept after, then I will perform all operations. Java EX. Okay, now. Then I will print the value is equal to F, but the F value is equal to D. The D value is equal to 10. Then as well as, what is your doubt? Sumit, tell me.
No, I was asking like if the value of D is 8 bytes, and we are consuming all 8 bytes.
Yeah.
But then if we are assigning that as a float, then will it take out some of the data and mask the what I'll say, cut some of the data, like if it'll delete 4 bytes and resume 4 bytes. How does it work?
Yeah. For example, means it is a 8 bytes. It is a 8 bytes. The float is a 4 bytes. At that time, the data it will be lost because it is nothing but a 1 lakh.
Yeah.
But the float value it will be stored only 50,000. Okay, now. But we can perform explicit typecasting. The data it will be lost.
Okay. So what is the use of this thing?
Because here not using this concept, just you can convert without a data operation. For example, like A1 is equal to B. A like a something for name. Example, for name is equal to then for name. Just I will mention to A. Here, this statement is nothing but a which class statements means like a B class statement. B class statement. It is nothing but a typecasting because the A class, it is a class variable. It will not possible to store the statement at that time to specify the class name. Sumit.
Yes.
Because data conversion, the data will be lost, But when you are using the typecasting means I am discussing in the advanced Java.
Okay.
Okay, now when you are using explicit typecasting, it is a data loss.
Okay.
Okay, now then here what is the explicit typecasting means? The bigger value inserted into a smaller value at the time using nothing but a explicit typecasting. In case, for example, like a int x is equal to 10. What is the size of the integer? 4 bytes. Char ch is equal to h. ch. What is the size of the character? 2 bytes. Means possible loss of prediction. Just to specify the char. What is the value? Then 65. What is the value? GPS?
That will still be 65, right?
Yeah, because the 65, the character it will not stored in the integer value. The integer value it will be converted into a character. The character 65 is nothing but a capital A, means ASCII values. ASCII values. Because the character it will not possible to store the integer value. ASCII table. Then ASCII table. Yeah. What is the 65? What is the 65 ASCII value? 65 ASCII value is equal to capital A. Is that correct?
Yep.
Are you see my screen or not?
Yes. So it starts with 65, right?
And
And how far does it
yeah,
go?
yeah. Because it is because the character it will not here 65 is a integer. The integer value it will not possible to character. The character compulsory should be the single quotation. But the x value is equal to 65. The 65 value it will be converted into a character means ASCII values. It will be take ASCII value directly.
Do we have to know the ASCII table?
Yeah, it is a ASCII table. It is a bin and these are the symbols ASCII like it is hexadecimal, octal. Yes, symbol. It is a ASCII value symbol. 65 is nothing but a capital A and yeah. In case I will specify the another one is nothing but a, for example like a 72. The 72 is the integer. The integer value it will not possible to store in a character. The 72 value to give the character. The character 72. What is the ASCII value of 72? 72 is nothing but a capital H. Then see that output. It's okay, Sumit.
Yeah.
In case I will specify the, for example, like a 108. 108. What is the 108 value? This one. 108. 108 value is equal to small l. Okay, now. In case I will give 96. 96 means it is just, sorry, 95 I will give 95. 95. 95. Save. 95 means cipher. Means to give the character integer value, but the integer value automatically it will be take the ASCII values of particular integer value. Because the integer value is equal to 4 bytes, so the character is at 2 bytes. Then how to connect the 4 bytes and integer? How to convert the 4 bytes and 2 bytes? It is nothing but explicit typecasting in our specification. In our specification, it is nothing but explicit typecasting. Any doubt? Anybody? GPS, Praveen, and Sugan, Sumit, and Yesh. Any doubt?
No.
No, thank you.
Please ask me, no problem. Are you understood or not this concept?
Yes.
Praveen?
Yeah,
Any doubt?
I missed a little bit. I think I understood this one, but so is it possible to convert character into the digit or no? You said no, right? Just from digits to the character is
Like
possible.
yeah, character is a 45. Is it possible? And yes or no? You are asking this question?
Yeah, like character to yeah.
You are asking this one? Then it is nothing but like a, what is the
Not,
45
no, no,
value?
no.
The variable
No,
is
you said that we can convert from digit to character, right? Is it possible to convert character to digit?
yeah, 1
Like
minute.
let's say
Yeah,
this
yeah.
character is
Yeah, is it possible? Because that is nothing but implicit typecasting. For example, like what is the size of the integer?
okay.
2 bytes. 2 bytes. What is the size of the character? 2 bytes. Right now, I will specify to float. Float f1 is equal to ch1. What is the 4 bytes? What is the float bytes? 4 bytes. The smaller value it will be converted into a. What is the implicit typecasting is? What is the implicit typecasting is? The JVM automatically one primitive data type variable value JVM automatically converts into a converts into a one primitive data type variable value assigned into a another primitive data type variable is called implicit typecasting. Then we are using implicit typecasting. When you are using implicit typecasting is the smaller value assigned into a bigger value automatically. At that time using nothing but a implicit typecasting. Means it is a smaller value, it is a bigger value. Automatically it will be stored or you can perform any type operations. Sumit?
Automatically.
What?
Like a smaller value can be stored in bigger value automatically.
Automatically, because it is a implicit typecasting. See that value. What is the value? Sorry, it is a 9. What is the A value? Means 65. Then hyphen CH1. Sorry, CH1. What is the value? Capital A.
Yeah.
Okay, now. Then I will comment this one. Then I will perform only implicit typecasting. Capital A. In case, then boolean is equal to 1 byte. Something float f is equal to 12. What is the size of the float? 4 bytes. Next, byte b is equal to f. What is the size of the? Sorry, it is a bigger. Then I will take double d1 is equal to f. What is the size of the double? 8 bytes. Means the 4 bytes directly it will be converted into a bigger value. System dot out dot print ln is equal to d1. Okay, now 12.0. Is it clear?
Yes.
That is nothing but a typecastings, explicit typecasting and implicit typecasting. Any doubt? This concept? Everybody?
One
GPS?
question.
Yeah, ask me. Tell me.
Okay. For example, if we do, when we're talking about explicit,
When you can perform explicit.
yeah, for example, in explicit, if we convert from 8 bytes to 4, for example, the double value d is like, for example, 1 lakh, 1 and 6 zeros, yeah, or 100 lakh, 1 crore maybe. And then if we do float,
For example, like what you were asking means like a double d2 is equal to, okay. Then it is a large integer is a large value. Then I will specify the 0.0. Okay, it's a correct. Then here, then I will perform to then float value. Float value is also a bigger value to convert into a smaller value. F3 is equal to D2. Yeah, compulsory need for typecasting.
Typecasting float, okay.
Yes or no? Like F3. Because the double value is equal to 8 bytes and the float value is equal to 4 bytes.
It will not possible to assign into a 8 bytes data into 4 bytes. Okay, na? That is a compulsory for typecasting.
Okay.
1 point. Yes or no?
Yeah.
It will be converted into hexadecimal.
So it will be converted
Okay.
into
Hexadecimal value. E is a hexadecimal.
okay.
Okay, na? If in case in our clarity int x is equal to not int x, so then I will take 1 minute. Simple logic. What is the long value? Long L is equal to something 5000. Some I will give this one. Into I is equal to L. Here it is a typecasting is occurred. Then I will pass to I value. Okay, now the data is 0, 6 and 7 here, 6 and 7. Then I will give to one or more. What is the means? Integer it will not possible to store. It is integer is a loss.
Mhm.
Okay, now
But
in case
but we are already doing type like explicit typecasting. So why should it not do?
means explicit typecasting only you can perform a classes purpose. It will not possible to assign a values. If you can perform explicit, it will be lost. But when you can perform explicit typecasting, then I will using nothing but a advanced Java concept.
Okay.
To access the A class properties in B class, then to access the A class properties in B class, then how to identify the X variable is a B class variable in A class? That is nothing but a typecasting. Then I will discussing the typecasting in details of advanced Java.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Okay.
For example, like a 1 minute. Then my question is A1 is equal to A1 is equal to configuration dot new instance constructor semicolon. Then I will configuration perform wait. But the configuration which class we can perform? Like a E class. Sorry, A class. And here B is a another class. And to configure the B class value to assign into a with other class as A class. Without A, it is nothing but a implicit typecasting. And to specify the A, it is nothing but a explicit typecasting. Means here to configure the class is a B, but the B value to assign into a value, but it will not possible to assign into a another class variable into another value. Then to specify the A, that is nothing but a explicit typecasting.
Okay.
Okay, now then I will discussing these statements all of you in advance Java, no problem. But we can think what is the explicit typecasting and what is the implicit typecasting. Just I will discussing. Then the syllabus. Then I will discussing to explicit and implicit typecasting in programming level. In the programming level, for explicit typecasting and implicit typecasting, no problem. Okay, now but you think it is nothing but a the possible loss of projection is nothing but a possible loss of projection. For example, like a without typecasting, possible what is the exception? Possible loss of projection means here the typecasting is occurred. This is the important possible loss of projection. It is a what type of exception is nothing but a the typecasting exception is nothing but a possible loss of rejection. Okay, now this exception is display any classes. That is a simple meaning is nothing but a typecasting is occurred this class. It's okay, Samit. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now. Then any doubt, Samit?
No.
Okay, now. No. Anybody? Please ask me any questions. Yesh and Pravin GPS. Any doubts?
No doubts.
Okay. And Mohan? And tomorrow is the class is there, or I think today is Sunday here India. That is the reason I will log in the late. It may be correct.
We would be having the classes on Monday, this in US time, right? So tomorrow we are not having the classes. This on Sunday, so we give the break to the students on Sunday. Make sure you guys practice little bit. Ram has also given his website whereabout you can find a lot of the stuffs inside, right? So just you go on that and try to practice a lot as much as possible on Sunday. And Monday we are meeting again. Ram, we are meeting on Monday, right? That's in US Monday, right?
Okay, 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 okay.
Okay. Anyone has any kind of the doubts, please ask in the meeting. Everyone is here on
No, everything.
Monday.
Vishal, if you can send me the videos for the last session so that I can, because I don't know
So
what was taught in
basically,
the first.
yeah, I truly understand. I got your mail and everything. What we gonna do that we gonna to talk to you at the time of the Monday, probably at the time of the morning or at the evening, right? And we gonna figure it out what we gonna do, and then we gonna to send you the videos, all the videos, whatever are done. But we need to talk first of all. Manu should talk, Mohan should talk with you, and then I can send you the videos, right?
Okay.
All right.
So
Because,
Monday.
Monday would be the session, same time, same link, right? Monday 8 p.m. sharp. Everyone should be there inside the session, right? And Ram will also come inside the session by the Monday sharp
Yes, sir.
8 p.m. Right? Okay. And everyone, please go on using the same link till I tell you that now the link is different. That too, you need to follow the same link for every day, right? And guys, please keep the reminder on your screens, right? That by 8 p.m. In the evening it pops up, and I don't need to call everyone that hey, you are having the lecture for today, right? 8 p.m. be on meeting, right? Is that clear for everyone?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, then guys, we are ending the session for now, right?
can
We
we
had yes.
can you do the off on Saturdays rather than Sunday starting next week?
It's like let us take the audience poll. I mean to say, is everyone okay by the Saturday off and Sunday on?
Because I think most of us do kind of travel around on Saturday, but on Sunday we are back because we have to go to work on Monday, so we'll be ready for class
Yeah.
on Sunday.
Yeah, true, very true. Just I would privately mail everyone, right, regarding the schedule. Let us see that all 6 or 7 people agree on the same term, right? Then I will give the same update to the Ram, and yeah, we're gonna to organize in that way. But that too, I need to make an assurance with other peoples, right, in a meeting.
Sure.
Can I at least be told like what to download and how to download Java? So I don't know how to what we are
Yeah,
using.
yeah. I will discussing. I will discussing. In next class, I will discuss Java. Then, how to set up the Java. Then each and every step I will discussing
Ram, your voice is getting really very low. It's like we are not able to listen you.
yeah, yeah. Then I will discuss to how to download Java.
Still, it is really very low. It's like we can't hear you.
Yeah. Right now, sir. Right now.
So Ram is probably going to explain you guys, right? that how to install the Java, what are the things
And
are necessary by the next session, right? Right, Ram?
yes, sir. On the next class, I will discuss to how to download the Java, then how to set up the Java, and what is the different ways we can set up the Java software in your lab and in your machine. Then I will discuss in the next class.
Yep.
Okay.
And right now, Ram, you are using Notepad++.
Yeah, Edit plus plus, sir, because it is an editor.
Okay.
Up to core Java, up to core Java, I will use only Edit plus. After advanced Java, then I will explain Eclipse.
Okay. Got it. So guys, be
And
on the same phase as the tutor is, right? And try to use the same thing that tutor is using, and that too when he will change, you all change the Eclipse and everything, right? So you
So
get
we
it
need
on the same space, yeah?
Java. I mean, we need Notepad plus plus to practice this, right?
these are the editors. These are
Yeah.
the editors. Like how to write simple web Java program is nothing but editors. Edit plus plus, Notepad plus, Notepad plus plus, Edit plus 3 plus. These are the editors. Editors is different, IDs is different, and the servers is different. ID's purpose is nothing but a integration purpose. Integration development environments. That is the purpose of the IDs. What is the meaning of IDE means? Integration, development, environments. Within the IDE, HTML coding you can use, Java coding use, and database use. The different technologies to integrated to a single application, that is the IDE abbreviation, integration development environments.
Okay.
Here, IDs means like a Eclipse Luna, Eclipse Juno, Eclipse Kepler, Eclipse Juno, Eclipse Luna, Eclipse Kepler, Eclipse Max, Eclipse Hilarious. These are the number of versions is there. Each and every version there I will explain in the advanced Java concept. Once I will start with advanced Java, means project to time and the project to development. Then I will discuss to each and every point of in the Eclipse, no problem.
Okay.
Okay now. And a small doubt, Mohan,
Yes.
and some people are in the class of middle to leave the sessions, like Devang and Venkat Suresh also not attend to the classes.
Yeah, I will call those guys by the Monday itself, and I would finalize the batch. That's what we peoples are looking for. I mean to say, we are looking for the sincere people who keep on attending the batches on a regular interval. So the next link, when I'm going to change the link, I'm going to send the links to only the peoples who are enough
Hmm.
serious and who are on the time in the class, right?
And one more, sir, Mohan sir, if you can any update of links purpose, then directly to forward my mail address, sir.
Yeah, and can you give me your mail address so that it's like I can keep you updating for what the things are happening. Okay, thanks very much. And also you pen down,
Yeah.
just you ping on my email ID. That's my email ID. I'm going to give you in a chat. Just you can
Okay.
copy paste it and give me a trialing mail, so there won't be any kind of the problem from my side or your side, right?
Okay. And one more, people and students, if you want to, if you want to, you need to ask me. Any doubt. Like a subject size,
And the area, Ram.
tell me.
Ram's voice is not.
Yeah. Right now it's okay.
Yeah, your voice is turning low. Can you repeat the stuff that you have told
Yeah.
just at the
Yeah.
moment? Yeah.
See, what I am discussing in the classes, what I am asking to you, please give me answer. Because you can give me answer, then I will explore more effectively in the subject. You are silent in the classroom, then I am also silent. Then I will like what is the type testing, what is the thing like that. If you give me answer, you are asking to the answer to me. I mean, I will export to more subject in the classroom.
So, guys, what Ram is trying to tell you that whenever he asks you the question, because this is an interactive session, right? Where about you need to interact, and how much you will interact, you will get good answers and you will learn more, right? So, Ram is telling that please keep on interacting. Don't sit mum or don't sit silent inside the meeting. Raise your question every time, because this is a phase where you can learn and you can clear your doubts. And after that, once you move to advanced Java and then all, then again to explain the same stuff, it would be very difficult if the concepts are not clear in your mind, right? So everyone keep interacting, keep on asking the question wherever you have doubt, and Ram is ready to repeat this stuff. But after 5 or 6 session, you are asking the first session question, then it wastes this time of every one of us, right? So whenever whatever the things are going on, just clear up at the same instance of the time, so you won't have any problem in the further lectures, right? Ram, your voice is turning very low. It's like the people are not able to hear you.
Yeah, yeah. If you understanding core Java, if you are understanding clearly core Java, easy to face the interview. In your experience, you can mention any 10 years or 5 years experience. Easy to face the interview once to learn the core Java.
Okay.
It's okay. I will teach to most of the 10 years, 18 years experience also in the students. So then there are also easy to understanding core Java. First of all, we can practice for example, today I will discussing to typecasting. Then go for internet. Then search the what is the typecasting, how to use the typecasting in the real time. Then how to perform the typecasting. Please practice that concept today to finish that concept. Then day after tomorrow I will start the another concept. Then day after tomorrow to spend the 1 hour time, then remaining concept also it will be over in the same day. And easy to at the time the course is easy.
Okay.
So yeah, so what
Okay.
the Ram is asking you to you all that it should be on a both the way. When the Ram is explaining you the concepts, keep on googling this stuff, so try to get more and more example, keep on getting updated knowledge on those stuff, so that it would be very easy for you to crack the interview, even if you know the core Java, right? So do some background work and then come to the class, then it would be very easy for all of us, to get into the track. Our goal is a good job, good pay, right?
Yeah.
It is it is my material. Please already previous class I will show this material. If you refer to any kind of syllabus, then please refer this one. No problem.
Yeah. So, Sumit, this is a website that the Ram is on Ram's website, right? You can go inside this website. You can study little bit of these stuffs. I'm going to provide you the recording, but meanwhile, by entire Sunday, you can just go through this material, see what's happening, what's not happening, and yeah, you can brush up yourself for the basic concepts. And that too by the Monday when we are in touch with each other, I'm going to provide you all the videos, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Mohan. Okay, Mohan.
Okay, then Ram, if at all
Sorry.
you want to leave, you can leave this session. We are ending this session for all of us, right?
Okay, okay, okay. Yes.
Okay,
Thank you,
everyone.
Usha.
Yeah. Thanks for coming into the meeting. Yeah, see you guys on Monday, 8 p.m. sharp. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye.